Hello everyone, another update here on the Rambler that I'm working on. So right now I've got the seat out here, and let's see, the back seat out as well. So right now I'm going to be cleaning up all this stuff here. This is original, don't know what that square is made of, but I pulled out horsehair from right here, and then I'm going to be vacuuming up everything in here and trying to, what's that? Who knows? Get everything cleaned up before I put more of the coolant insulation in. And then I've got some of the coolant here. Because I'm also going to do a coolant flush right now. Just to clean everything out of the system. Typically I don't really need to do it, but I want to, so. And then I'm also going to clean up the engine bay here a bit while I'm doing that. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. And yeah, once it's done here, I'll probably get another video for you guys. I'm hoping to get all this cleaned out, all the kill mat insulation in on the floors, and then if I'm feeling ambitious, put in the new carpet that I have, which is this ACC carpet. I got, let's see, maroon here to match the rest of the interior. And yeah, thanks for watching.